Hey guys, my name is Marie House and welcome to Healthy Body. In today's video, we're going to show you 10 of the best, easiest plant-based snacks. So when we started our plant-based journey almost 10 years ago, it was actually really difficult to figure out what kind of snacks to eat, let alone what would be quick to prepare. So that's why we created this video, to help anyone along their plant-based journey find easy, quick, tasty, delicious plant-based snacks to make. And if you stick around to the end of the video, you'll discover 10 easy plant-based snacks, plus all the recipes involved to create them, and also nutritional information for extra value. Let's go into the kitchen. And now we have the zucchini roll-ups. First of all, we're gonna prep the zucchini. Just chop the ends off, peel, make our slices nice and thin. You wanna get rid of the first two you peel because they won't be thick enough. Now we're gonna add our hummus. Just a quarter of the way, a small little spoon, spread it, add our microgreens for alkalis, add some hemp seeds for some omega-3 and healthy fats, a bit of crunch and protein. Don't forget to season with some salt and a little bit of pepper. And then let's roll these babies up. And there you have it. You're gonna have 4 delicious zucchini roll-ups, I like to call it. Now we have the Healthy Body Green Blast. This awesome smoothie contains a big handful of baby spinach, about 50 grams, handful of cucumber, about 100 grams, quarter of an avocado, fresh lime, some coconut water, a dash of stevia. Blend that baby up and you have a healthy, energizing green blast. Now we have raw almonds. Raw almonds are a fantastic snack, and they're great because they're full of healthy fats, healthy monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which are really good for lowering bad cholesterol and reducing your risk of heart disease and stroke. So basically, almonds are gonna keep you full for longer. 1 ounce of almonds is only 170 calories, and that is one of the best snacks that you can have, not to mention they're really great snacks to travel with. Now we have my favorite combination ever, carrot sticks and hummus. You can obviously do cucumber or celery to go with your carrot sticks, but carrot sticks and hummus are amazing. Not only carrots are rich in vitamin A, they're also high in fiber, got some natural sweetness to it, and hummus full of additional fiber, protein from the chickpeas and healthy fats makes this combo a really substantial, low-calorie, healthy snack. Not to mention just 1 ounce of hummus with, let's say, 100 grams of carrot, you're looking at no more than 120 calories. That's perfect size for something light, or if you like, what I do sometimes, grab a whole carrot out of the fridge, chop the ends off, and just take the hummus tub with me. Next we have avocado on toast. This one's one of our favorites. First you start with your slice of bread. We prefer sprouted Ezekiel bread. Toast that baby up, smash it with some avocado, season it with salt, add some sliced cucumber for alkalizing benefits and also to reduce the sugar cravings. Add it with some hemp seeds for a buttery taste and extra protein and healthy fat. Take a bite and enjoy. This is one of my all-time favorite snacks. It's fruit cream, and it's simple to make. Pour yourself some almond milk, about 150 grams. We're gonna use 50% zucchini because we don't want it all fruit, be a bit too much sugar. So 70 grams of zucchini, about 80 grams of some frozen organic berries. Fill the rest up with ice, about another 50 grams. We want a quarter of an avocado, which provides creamy texture and a buttery flavor. I'm gonna add some coconut stevia for extra flavor. Blend it up and voila, frozen fruit cream. Kind of like a soft serve and an ice cream. Enjoy. Now we have almond butter and banana combination. And why I love it so much is that banana is such a substantial, satisfying fruit that is high in potassium and fiber. So if you're feeling a little jumpy, a little anxious throughout the day, banana can actually lower that for you. And when you combine it with half an ounce of almond butter, you'll lower the absorption speed of the sugar hitting your bloodstream. Slice that banana up, add some almond butter to it, and enjoy. Next, we recommend stuffed dates. Stuffed dates are fantastic for lifting your energy when you're feeling a little tired and exhausted. Not to mention when you're craving something a little sweet, this is a perfect combination. What's the combination? It is fresh dates and almond butter. For just 195 calories, you can fill 3 huge medjool dates with half an ounce of almond butter, and it's perfect. For all chocolate lovers out there, this is for you, the chocolate chia milk. Start with about 300 mils of unsweetened almond milk, big heaped teaspoon of raw cacao powder, add your stevia powder for a bit of sweetness, some chia seeds to make it filling, and extra fiber. Blend that baby up for something silky, cream and chocolatey. An excellent snack, very low calorie, very healthy. Next we have Veggie Sticks. Veggie Sticks are really good for enhancing your energy, and that's because they're full of so many vitamins and minerals and alkalizing benefits. So what veggies do we recommend? Well, my favorite is carrot, cucumber, and celery. What's also good is some bell peppers, broccoli, radish, whatever you want. And to prepare even quicker, just prep your veggies in advance like I do sometimes. That will make this 80-calorie snack be super, super quick and easy for you. Thank you so much for tuning into this video and watching till the end. And let me know in the comments below what your favorite plant-based snack is, so we can share and grow all together. I hope you got lots of value from this video. If you like the kind of content we're all about, hit the subscribe button, come and join us for this wonderful journey of health. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it as well. Stay healthy until next time. Bye.